The value of your collection may become significant. You have to determine how you feel about that asset. That asset is no different than any other asset you may have, whether it's a stock portfolio or your home or a business. You want to look at this and you want to protect the value. When you look at insuring a watch collection, there are different ways to do this. You can do it on a scheduled basis, which means you list every individual piece, or you could do it on a blanket basis, where you pick a total value for the collection. Depends upon what your situation is, what the value of the collection is, and what the value of the individual pieces are, which is best for you. Generally, if you have many pieces and there are lower values, you may be able to do blanket coverage. That's quite easy to do. If you have pieces that are of a higher value and that their values are increasing due to either rarity or the collectible status of them, then you absolutely want to schedule those. It is important that you understand the different valuation methods. What we see happen very often is as individuals build their collections, they buy pieces that are limited editions. These limited editions increase in value quickly. An example may be you buy a watch from a well-known Swiss watch manufacturer and perhaps you pay in the area of $80,000 for this watch. Within a reasonable period of time, quite quickly, sometimes within a year or so, the value of this watch could double simply because of the scarcity and the inability for someone else to make the purchase of that watch. In the event that you have insured it for your purchase price, even if you can replace the watch, then you will receive $80,000, though the current replacement cost on that watch may be $160,000. You may not be able to replace the watch, but if you only receive the $80,000, you have now suffered a hit to your balance sheet of approximately $80,000. So I think you want to be very, very careful about what the valuation method is, and you need to understand it. And the valuation method is more important depending upon the type of timepiece that you are purchasing. The most important thing is that you are indemnified in the event of a loss. That's why you bought the insurance in the first place.